my name is Ana, I'm a GINA good speaker, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to use the prepositions at, on, in for time and place. Before we start it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I've prepared for you guys this list, which is an inverted triangle where it shows what it is for and what those prepositions are used for. You can download this list in the description of this video. So, preposition is basically a connective that connects one word to another in a sentence, and in this case, indicate time and place. Many prepositions tell you where something is or when something happened. Let's see our pyramid and notice that the order goes to more general to more specific. Let's imagine that we are in this satellite. First, the satellite captures the image of the continents and seas. And we are getting closer and closer, and we see the countries and states. After, the cities and neighborhoods. That's the most of the use the preposition in, and we'll still use in for enclosed spaces. When the satellite arrives on your street, it's time to use the preposition on. That's the use of the preposition on for avenues, roads, and when we are on streets, we use the means of communication like cell phone, television, radio, internet, and so on. Example, I'm on the street surfing on my cell phone looking for the news on the internet. When I hear some news on the television and someone singing on the radio, we still use on for surfaces and means of transportation. For example, the fly landed on my skin when I was on the bus. Finally, the satellite focused at the addresses of the cities. These addresses can be private or public, and this is the main use of the preposition at. Example, I live at 905 Ana Street, and I work at a shopping mall. And this preposition can also be used to talk about events and specific places. For example, I'm waiting at the front door for my friends. I will see them at the party. Now we're gonna talk about the prepositions at, on, in for time. Let's begin talking about in. Now we're gonna enter a time machine. First, we can see the millennia. After, we can see the centuries, decades, years, seasons, months, weeks. Then we stop the machine. Let's see some examples. In 1994, Brazil won the fourth title at the World Cup, and that happens in July. Another use is periods of time and part of the day. For example, in the morning, the sun shines stronger than in the afternoon. And in the future, people will drive fly cars. But we have an exception. For at night, it's an expression. We don't use in the night. We use at night. Now let's take a look in the use of on in relation to time. When our time machine arrives on weekdays and weekends, it's time to use the preposition on. For example, on Saturdays, I don't have a fixed schedule, so I can do anything I want. Another use is specific days, like your birthday, and also when it specifies which day part of the day takes place. Example, my birthday party will be on Sunday morning. Let's focus now on holidays. When this holiday comes with the word they, we use the preposition on. For example, people used to wear white clothes on the New Year's Day. Let's open brackets and talk about in, at, and holidays. So, When the holiday comes with holiday, we use the preposition in. Example, in the Easter holidays, I used to eat a lot of chocolate. And when the holidays comes with nothing else, we use at. For example, at Christmas, my relatives come to visit us. Speaking of at, we can use this preposition to talk about hours and the expression at the moment. For example, I used to be busy at 9 a.m. all weekdays and free at noon. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you could learn about the prepositions at, on, in for time and place. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can comment down. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like to the video. So see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.